Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else.
Hey babies. Shout out to my sister-in-law Paula, who gave me these Kate Spade wine glasses a couple Christmases back.
I'm crazy over you. How can one be done?
And shout out to my daddy for already giving me my Valentine's Day gift. Thank you, Daddy. A little salt. But anyway, let's get into this video. I got 2 packages in the past couple days, so I'm gonna open this first because I know what it is. So cute. Of course, I got it from Amazon, and it says subscribe. I don't know what size this is, but if you like this hoodie, the link will be in the description box. Second one. This was one of those ball pillows. I don't know if you could tell because of the shrink wrap, which I don't mind the shrink wrap because I was gonna throw it in the dryer and let it fluff back up. But I wanted a dark green because my colors are dark green, so I'm sending that back. Start on this DIY project. So remember, we had this mirrored mosaic tile sticker. So what I had to do was cut it to size. Wherever you plan on putting the sticker, you want to measure it. If you want to use your measuring tape, I just kind of eyeballed it. But you want to measure it and then cut it. After you cut it, you just want to place it on your surface, press down for the adhesive to stick. Continue to repeat these steps until you get whatever surface you have completely covered. Hey, shout out to my auntie who inspired me to do this project. And so here is where I found out that the lines may not always line up. So I couldn't get it exactly lined up, the squares lined up perfectly, which that's what I was trying to do. And I learned here that you don't want to, once it's already stuck to your surface, you don't want to pull that back up. So once it's stuck, you want to leave it there. So I continued the process of measuring, cutting, and sticking it to my surface. And you all know I am an Amazon affiliate marketer. As an Amazon affiliate marketer, I earn on qualifying purchases. So if you like this mirror mosaic sticker, the link will be in the description box. It kind of surprised me that the mirror mosaic sticker was actual mirror. So you do want to be careful when you cut it. I learned after about halfway through that folding it where you want to cut it is a lot easier. Right here I was trying to make me a small indentation to let me know where I wanted to cut it, but once you find that space, folding it and then cutting it is a lot easier. I also want to add that when you are sticking 2 pieces side by side, there may be a slight space in between the 2. Even though I tried to get them as close together as possible, you do see a very slight space, but it did not bother me at all. And here I was debating on whether I wanted to try to wrap the sticker around the corners, but I eventually decided not to. I didn't think that it would turn out quite right. So I'm just going to leave that little space there and go back and patch it up when I get more material later. So I do only have a very small piece left, or a couple of small pieces left. So I was going to measure it out and stick that last piece there, but I decided to just hold off and order more. So I went on to Amazon and I ordered another pack. I ordered the 750 pieces this time, and it should be here shortly. Whenever it comes, I will complete this DIY project, and that will be part 2. But so far, I think it looks really, really good. This is where I had that small crack on the end, and you cannot see it at all, so it covered it up very well. Oh, one more thing I just want to say, that I finally reached 300 subscribers. So I appreciate you all for subscribing, and my next goal is to get 500 subscribers. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. I love you. God bless. Subscribe.